Good morning and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 16th of November. Last week, we went long the FTSE 100 index, and as you can see here on the daily chart, it had been trading for several weeks in a upward trading channel, and we went long at 7,288 with an upside target of 7,500, just below the September high at 7,515. We have indeed seen an acceleration to the upside on last week's weaker than expected US inflation data, but we haven't seen the sort of follow through we were expecting to see. For example, on the DAX 40 in the German index, we did see a rise of about 600 points, whereas the FTSE did rise, but only to 7,429 so far. Now, earlier this morning, we slid back towards 7,300 on stronger than expected UK inflation data coming in at above 11%, and this taking us to new 40-year highs in UK inflation. But then the market actually recovered, and as you can see here, we're heading back up again towards last week's high at 7,429. So with regards to our trading the trend strategy, what I would suggest we do now is to raise our take profit limit order to 7,290, or if you have a stop loss in place, raise that to above your entry level at 7,288, thereby making your trade currently more or less risk-free, because if you get stopped out because you got in at 7,288, and if you have your stop loss at 7,290, slightly above there, basically, you're not going to lose any money, whereas you can still potentially benefit from the market rising as it does at the moment. So with regards to our strategy, we remain long on the FTSE 100 with an upside target at 7,500 and with a raised stop loss at 7,290.